In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom templates in PowerPoint. This is a skill that can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort, especially if you find yourself making multiple presentations for school, work, or business. A personalized template ensures that your slides always look polished and consistent without having to start from scratch every single time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design, save, and reuse your very own PowerPoint templates. The first step is to open PowerPoint on your computer. You can access it from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once the program opens, you can either start fresh with a blank presentation or open an existing one that already has a design you like. At this stage, it's important to think about the layouts you use most often. Do you rely heavily on title slides, content slides, or section dividers? Do you prefer bright, modern colors or a more minimal design? This thought process matters because your choices here will become the backbone of your template. Now take some time to customize your slides. Adjust the color scheme, choose your preferred font, add background images, and create layouts that match your style or brand. For example, maybe you want a bold header font with a clean sans serif body text. Or perhaps you'd like all section titles to include a unique background image. The goal is to set up a consistent design language that you can reuse again and again. When you're satisfied with your design, move on to saving it as a template. Go to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen and choose Save As. A new window will open asking you where and under what name you'd like to save your file. In the file name field, type something descriptive that makes sense to you, like corporate template or minimal blue design. That way, you'll be able to recognize it instantly when you want to use it again. Next, make sure you select the correct file type. Under Save as Type, click the drop-down menu and choose PowerPoint Template. This will save your work with the .potx extension instead of the usual .pptx. That difference is critical. It tells PowerPoint to treat the file as a reusable template rather than just another presentation. Finally, click Save. That's it. Your custom template is now ready to go. The next time you want to start a new presentation, simply open PowerPoint, navigate to the location where you saved your template and select it. PowerPoint will launch a new presentation that already includes all of your design choices, making your workflow much faster and your slides more professional. And there you all have it. You've just created your very own custom PowerPoint template. From now on, you can enjoy the benefit of consistent, professional-looking slides without putting in the extra work each time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.